Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to remove the background from the image in PowerPoint. In some situation we would have come across the need to remove the image background. So let's see with a few examples. I'm going to place couple of flowers in the pot plant. So let's insert, let's find the flower in the online picture flower. Okay, this looks simple. Let's try with this first. Okay, as you can see here, our area of interest is this flower, and we need to remove the background. And the PowerPoint give us a effective tool to remove the background. Let's try that. So you go into the format picture. Okay, so we have a picture tool here. Just click on this picture tool. You can see a menu called remove background. So let's click on that. Okay, so here the background is highlighted in the pink color, and here it looks perfect. And let's try to remove the background. Let's just click the keep changes. So you'll get only the object. The in our case we have the flower here. So let's try to place somewhere here. Okay, so let's try to get some image or flower with a complex background. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so click on the picture tools, remove background. Okay, so here so you can see the pink line overlaps with the flower area. So there is an option called mark keep areas, where we can tell the tool like, okay, this is our area of interest and we need to keep those areas. Okay, so you can just mark it. Okay, and similarly here as well, so we can just mark. Okay, okay, cool. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, so now we have a couple of flowers placed here. So there is one more option here, like if you want to remove the mark areas to remove, like for example here in this case, if you want to remove this yellow portion, still you can remove that yellow portion. So this is just an example. So you apply, like like you can see that yellow portion is removed.